In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get rid of default Capcut watermark at the end of the video. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Capcut app, then select new project, and then just select some video file to create a project. And what that will do, that will also add this default ending at the end of your video. To remove it from just one particular video, you can just select it and then hit add delete. If you want to stop Capcut adding that watermarked footage at the end of each your video, you should go right here to settings, just hit add that gear icon, and that's where you can easily find add default ending. By default, this switcher turned on, and all you have to do is just hit on it to turn it off. Just tap on it and then hit add discard. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.